Hi, I'm Austin Ashbacker. Today we're going to go through how to connect a Leica GG04 to Vermeer Projects using an iOS operating system. So let's get started. To start out, we want to make sure our GPS device is turned on and connected via Bluetooth to our mobile device. So we'll turn our device on and we'll go into our settings on our iPad. In our settings, we'll navigate to Bluetooth and turn our Bluetooth on. From here, we'll select which device we are trying to connect. I know that this is device 589. So I'll select that one. It shows we are now connected. So now we're going to go back out of our settings and into our Xeno Connect app. In our Xeno Connect app, we're going to go into our settings and it's going to show our antenna is connected to our GG04 Plus. From here, we'll go into our real-time corrections. And in our real-time corrections, this is where you're going to set up your profile for your correction service, whichever one you may be using. So you'll click on your three dots on the right side, or if you're adding a new one, you will select your plus sign. Once you get in, you'll select data server. And this is where you're going to find your menu where you're going to enter in, you're going to name your correction service, you're going to enter your address and your port number, as well as your user ID and password, as well as select a mount point. So we're going to just select a mount point, select OK. We're going to go back out to the main screen where it's going to show us our accuracy. From here, I'm going to go back out and I'm going to go into the widget. And in our widget, we can see that we have 0.86 feet of accuracy. So we're inside a foot. So from here, I'm going to navigate into the Vermeer Projects application. Start a new job record. In Vermeer Projects, you'll select the compass tab on the left side of the screen. You'll select your drop down where it will show 3 different devices, EOS, Leica, and Trimble. You'll select whichever device you are using and select connect. In the bottom left corner, it will show high accuracy activated. And in order to check how accurate you are, you can click the session information in the bottom left corner, and it's showing our accuracy at 1 inch. So you know that you're getting a good correction from your GPS. That is all we have for this video. We'll see you next time.